Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix SEGA Football Club Champions error. A communication error has occurred. Please try again or contact SFCC support. So if you're getting this error while launching the SEGA Football Club Champions app on your Android phones, then here are some of the things that you can try to fix the problem. First of all, check the SEGA Football Club Champions app server status. So open Chrome and in Chrome search for SEGA Football Club Champions server status and search for it. And if you find that the server status is under maintenance, offline or having any outage, then you have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check. As you can see, the official website of SEGA website, they have announced one important notice that they will be having the emergency maintenance on 23rd January. But this server issue has been faced by many players till date. So you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. In the meantime, you can try these fixes. First of all, just restart your Android device and then check. If that doesn't work, then tap and hold the SEGA app icon and then click on app info and then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data. Now please take a note, clearing the app data will also delete the files and settings permanently. So if you agree, then click on delete to confirm and then you can go back, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Second fix is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then you can launch the game and check. You can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and tap on it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store such as VPN, Surfshark, Octohide, Proton VPN, BPass VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location and then check if your problem is solved or not. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. If that also doesn't work, then when you get this error, then spam click on retry button again and again until you bypass this error. Or you can also click on title button and this will again try to reconnect, and you can also spam this button and check if the error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve SEGA Football Club Champions app server error. A communication error has occurred. Please try again or contact SFCC support. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.